Hello, future Buckeyes. In this video, I will show you how to make sure you're applying to the John Glenn College of Public Affairs on your Common App. So first things first, you're going to want to go to apply.common.app.org. Awesome. Then you're going to want to sign in with your username and password. You can create an account if you have not already done so. So this is the dashboard. This is the main page of where the Common App will take you. So first things first, we want to add Ohio State as one of our colleges. So you'll go to college search. You'll search the Ohio State. You can add university if you want, but then it should pop up and you can hit add. Then you'll go to my colleges. Underneath your my colleges, so you might have more here, but we'll click on Ohio State. And where you're going to definitely want to read all of this information. This is great information, including deadlines, information on the writing requirements, application information. But where you're going to select your intended major is in questions. Questions, and then it's actually in academics. So you'll want to get to academics. Then you'll click, are you applying as an international non-US citizen applicant? Depending on your answer, might be yes or no. We'll click no for right now, and then your planned major will come up. So there's a few ways you can do this. One is you can type in public, and you'll see public management, leadership and policy, public policy analysis. So you do have to select one of the two. It's very easy to change within the college, within the majors once you get here. But pick whichever one is speaking to you right now. And then you can also scroll all the way down to the P's and click select there. So that is how you would be able to find public affairs and apply to either our Bachelor of Arts in Public Management, Leadership and Policy or our Bachelor of Science in Public Policy Analysis. We hope to see an application from you soon, and go Bucks!